It's installed and now charging the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X batteries at 12 kilowatt. Very, very fast charging. You can see right there, we're charging the batteries at 12 kilowatts, super fast. And right now we're drawing about 16.7 kilowatt from the grid. 4 kilowatts going to our home and 12 kilowatts charging the battery. Yet this thing is whisper quiet, small little hub, and it is going full blast right now, charging at a very fast rate. And this is powered by our EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 right here. This is how the power is coming in to charge these batteries. This unit is very capable. One unit like this is able to push out 12 kilowatt of power, enough to power our entire home. Because right here, this is a 32 circuit EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 that can power our entire home. It replaces our sub panel. It's a super clean installation. And if you wanted more power, you can connect another one of these EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X in parallel right here to get a total of 24 kilowatt, or get 3 of them for a total of 36 kilowatt of power. Even one is plenty for most homes. You know if you need more than that, but 12 kilowatt is pretty much perfect for running a home. It can even start big appliances like an AC without any soft starter. It just works. It works really well. And each EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X can handle up to 10 batteries. Each battery is 6 kilowatt hour capacity. So 10 batteries will give you 60 kilowatt hour for this one EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. So I can expand up to 10 batteries for 60 kilowatt, or I can have 2 of these units for a total of 24 kilowatt of power output, and a total of 10 batteries here and 10 batteries there. That's 20 batteries for a total of 120 kilowatt hour capacity. Or go crazy and get 3 EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. So one here, one here, one here. That will give you a total of 36 kilowatt hour of power output to your home, and each one can have 10 kilowatt hour of batteries, 10 batteries for a total of 180 kilowatt hour of battery capacity. It's crazy, and this is running nice and smooth. And right now I set this up to charge at a schedule because I wanted to maximize my current situation right here. So you can set this up to charge however you want. It's super simple. This is the app right here. Let me go back to the device information. So you can see right here, this is how it's working for our specific setup. So this is a system right here. We're setting up to charge at 12 kilowatt, very, very fast. And to set it to charge to 90%, we don't really need to charge 100%, but these are lithium iron phosphate batteries, so they have really good capacity and they will last a really long time. But if there's a storm coming, like it says right here, when Storm Guard is enabled and activated, then it will charge 100%. And in terms of scheduling, the reason why I want to schedule it this way, I can set this thing to optimize for time of use power or self power, or in my case, I'm using schedule tasks, because by schedule tasks, I disabled it. Now I put it back right here. So the schedule task is when I set the batteries, basically I start charging at midnight when the power is the cheapest, and I charge to 90% because I don't need to go to 100%. Then during the time when power is expensive, right at 3 p.m., it starts to use the battery to power my entire home, and then at midnight again it charges up. So perfect. So if I need more batteries, I can add more battery. If I feel like I need more power, which I don't think, because this is a really big panel and I only use about 14 circuits. So I mean, unless I really use a lot of power, I don't need more than 12 kilowatt of power. Anyway, this thing is smooth, it's awesome, it's perfect. And if I wanted to connect solar to this thing, I can connect solar with this breakout box. Super easy to connect solar. The crazy thing about this is that I got this all installed in one day. I scheduled a phone call with a contractor a couple of days ago, and they came out to estimate it. They gave me a quote, and actually I got a few quotes because this is a straightforward electrical sub panel installation. It's not something fancy. They don't have to have specific specialized training. It's just a sub panel with a few extra cable that goes to this box that then connects to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. So because of that, I was able to get a lot of competitive pricing and a lot of available electricians were available to help me install it. Super easy to install versus if I was considering a power wall or other types of more permanent installation. Those usually require a couple of months to figure out. You have to get specific agreement signed with the power utility because you're grid tying the battery to the grid, whereas this you're not really grid tying the battery to the grid. Well, you kind of are, but not really, because you're using a battery pack right here to connect to your smart home panel. The battery is not directly connected to the grid because there's smart technology right there that separates it. So it makes it easier just to get this installed. And also, if I wanted to get solar, this is also very easy because solar can just be connected here, and technically I don't even need to get a permit if I run my solar outside. Just like these smaller EcoFlow units right here, they are a battery power backup, but you have the ability to connect solar panel to it, right? So the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is just that. It's just a bigger battery, but basically you're connecting solar to it, and this thing can handle a ton of solar. Like literally your whole house worth of solar panel can go into the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. It's crazy how much solar it can take, and that's one of the upgraded feature of the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X versus the previous version. They've made a lot of iteration improvement to this Ultra X version that makes it so good. Like the power output, just having one unit, and the solar input, everything is really nicely improved. And it looks like we're still charging at 12 kilowatt. It's blasting through. We're at 78% capacity right here. It's gonna take about another 12 minutes to get to 100%. So another nice thing about this versus like the power wall or any other type of battery installation is, if you notice, my EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is not connected physically to the building, so I can just roll this out, and the batteries are also not physically connected. So technically I can just unplug this and take this on a road trip on my truck and be able to power at a campsite or wherever. I can bring just one unit and one battery, or just one unit and both batteries. It's up to me, and because they're modular, I can carry them much easier. Yes, it takes about 2 people to easily carry the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, and about 2 people to carry each battery just makes it a little bit easier. But because it's modular, if I get 3 of these units, I get 10 batteries, 20 batteries, 30 batteries, I can move it easily to my next home or take it with me wherever I go, instead of like a power wall where I would be stuck with the permanent installation and I can't really remove it because it's attached to the house. So permitting is much easier on the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, and even getting contractors to install it is more affordable because a lot of people can do it. They're more competitive, and it's easier because there's so many people. Scheduling was a breeze. It took the guys to install it about one day. They started at like 8:30 a.m. and they finished around 5:30 p.m. 2 guys knocked it out of the park, even had lunch and a break in between, and they were able to get it installed. I'm super happy with this setup. It's so quiet and it's running so smoothly. This is a really nice high-end upgrade to our home. Now we don't have to worry about ever being in the dark because we always have battery backup. We're also saving money because we're doing energy arbitrage. We're charging it when it's very cheap, and we're using it when the electric is expensive. If we want to add solar, we can always add it and charge this unit without worrying about interconnecting the solar to the grid or anything like that. It's really nice. It's a great solution and it's just perfect. We're really happy to have it. This is the setup right here. This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with 2 batteries and the Smart Home Panel 3 right there in all of its full glory. I actually even open up the panel so you can see how nice that panel looks right there. The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with that Smart Home Panel 3. Oh yeah.